Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the auto lock feature on your Kwikset Powerbolt 2 lock in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply just take a look at the battery cover and you need to simply remove it. Now when you remove the battery cover from the inside part of the lock, you are going to see this type of program button available. So you just have to simply press the program button once for 5 seconds. You need to hold it until the keypad flashes green or until you hear a beep. Now, once it is enabled, your Powerbolt 2 will automatically lock the door after approximately 30 seconds. And Kwikset also confirms that this timing is fixed on the Powerbolt 2 models. After enabling it, you just have to test the lock by unlocking the door and waiting to see if it locks automatically. Now, if you want to disable the auto lock, you just have to simply press and hold the power button once again for 5 seconds. Then the lock should flash green light and it should also beep once more, indicating that the auto lock feature has been turned off. So after disabling it, the lock will stay unlocked until you manually press the lock button or until you use the keys. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.